Let's sculpt our brows using the MŌDA Brow Designer Kit. So before you do anything to your brows, the most important thing is to brush them into place so you can see the shape of the brow. This is a lash comb and it's great for brushing your brows into place, but also brushing through your lashes to remove clumps. Now that I could see the shape of my brow, I'm going in with the tweezers and just going to clean up any of the stray hairs that I see below the natural brow line. Run your lash comb through one more time just to again see the shape of the brow. And then we want to take our brow definer and go in and fill in just where we are sparse. Maybe we are missing some hairs. Using your favorite brow powder or pomade, go ahead and fill in your brow to your desired fullness. Now taking our lash and brow groomer, we want to run this through and just blend that product in through our natural hair with short, very light strokes. This brush is also fantastic if you're someone who likes to use brow gel or brow wax. And now your brows are looking ready to go using the MŌDA Brow Designer Kit.